Today we're going to be changing the camshaft position sensors on the 2017 to 2022 Honda CRV, Civic, and Accord with the 1.5 liter. The tools we're going to need to do this: you're going to need a set of pliers, a 10mm socket, I'm using a 6-inch extension, and a ratchet. So to get where the camshaft sensors are, we're going to have to remove this box here. So our first step is we will take these two clamps off and remove these two hoses. And now these hoses may be stuck on here, so you might have to give them a twist just to break them loose. You can just pull them right back. And our next step is we're going to remove these two 10mm bolts. And once we get our two bolts out, if you just look over here, you got this little rubber grommet. That's what's holding it in, so we can just pull it out. So you just grab it, and you're going to pull it right back. Our two camshaft sensors are right here. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. So we'll go ahead and remove these connectors. And there's just a little tab on each side. You push it in and pull it straight up. Remove these two 10mm bolts. Now, before we go ahead and remove our two sensors, you just want to make sure you blow around this area with some compressed air or just with your mouth. Get all the sand that's around it. You don't want any of that falling inside of there. That will not be good for your engine. But once you do that, you just grab your sensor and pull it straight up. There's our first one. And same thing with the second one. Pull it straight up. Just always make sure that these rubber O-rings came out with the sensor before you put your new one in. And once you have your new sensors, and push it into place. And just align your bolt holes up. And you can just snug these up. Don't over tighten them. And plug your connectors back in. Make sure you hear it click into place so it's locked. And we can grab our box. Make sure we put this back in this rubber grommet. You can line your hoses up. Put those on before you tighten this down. And reinstall your two bolts. And once again, just snug these up. And then our last step, we'll just reinstall these two clamps. And that is how we replace the camshaft position sensors. If this video helped you guys out, if you could give it a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button.